Okay, so what I've done here is turned on a different signal generator, that's this one, and this frequency counter here. It's jumping around too. A little bit. Now these guys need pretty strong inputs. That's part of the problem here. And with it connected down here, some of the signals bled off. What the heck is doing that? Oh, it's a tough day in the shop. Tough day in the shop. Okay, back to what we're doing here. 15.2. Okay, there's 15.2. Let's tune that in if we can. I don't actually have the signal generator connected to the panel yet. So let's just tune it in though. Oh. Position number 7. Other end of the band. There he is. Far from the end. Oh, cat, you can't walk on the radio when I'm doing this. Holy smokes. Hang on a second. I'm under cat attack here. Look, you gotta get out of here. This is not the safest place for you, cat. Come on out. That's right, come on out. Out you come. No, don't. You started restringing the radio there for a moment. Okay. Where was I on this? No, I'm totally lost. I was trying to tune in. There it is. Okay. What's going on with that? There we are. Now, we'll check to make sure. That's definitely the signal there. Okay, got it tuned in good. We're ready now to make the adjustment. We're at 15.2. Position 7, you know, I don't even have the wire connected to the radio. So this is just picking it up out of the air, which is fine. C note F. F isn't even on the page. Coil L10. L10. There's L10. Okay, watching now. Say there. They got a little bit of a boost there. And antenna coil L2. L2. Kind of strange how they showed it here. For some reason they show L1 and L2 as if it's the same coil. Okay, that'll be this one here. Okay, watch the meter, here we go. Seems like the more I turn it, I think the radio's drifting here. Okay, I'm tuning the main capacitor. Okay, now we'll do the L. Okay, that's it. That's it for that. Didn't get much boost on that, did we? Now, we go to setting 6, 11.6 megacycles. Setting 6. That's setting 6. 11.6 megacycles. Wow. Okay, pretty close to 11.6 there. And we'll tune the radio until we find 11.6. There it is. I think sometimes we're seeing AVC effects where when I first tune in the signal accurately, the signal is actually stronger in the radio, and then a moment later the AVC cuts it back. So you see the meter kind of pop up and come down. I think I'm fighting with the AVC at that point. So I'm not monitoring the AVC voltage to check that. Well, maybe I should be. Okay, so another camera failure, but I saw it right away. So you didn't miss a thing in this exciting process. 11.6 RF trimmer C20. RF trimmer C20. There it is, C20. C20 is right down between these, right in here. Need a long screwdriver. I've lost my favorite screwdriver here. What else have I got? I can get down there. That one won't make it. Okay, I gotta go off hunting for a screw. Got my long screwdriver, what I often call my favorite screwdriver. Okay, let's check and make sure everything is set right. Still. Okay, that was just me tuning it. Now I'll adjust the capacitor in question. Here we go. Okay, a tiny boost on that. That was C20, now we got to do C10. C10 is right at the back here. Ready on C10. Okay, that one was right on. And now we're down to the last one, which is 9.6. Okay, there we are. That's 9.6, so close enough. 9.6, position 5. Ooh, not much sound there. Position number 5. First one's an oscillator, but we won't do that. Trimmer C18. Let's see if we can pull this one out of nowhere. Okay, C18 is this guy here. Here we go. Oh, I can't even hear anything. I gotta boost this up a bit. There's nothing there. Because I gotta tune it in yet. I didn't hear it. I don't think that's it. Let me make the connection straight to the antenna here. Betcha we'll find it now. Well, I don't know which one of those. I think that's it. That's me turning the signal generator on and off. Let's use this signal, see what happens here. I'll turn it down a bit. Okay, so we're 9.6 C18. C18. This guy here. Didn't like that very much. And the next one is C8. C8. There's C8 there. Here we go. Tuning the radio now. Strange. It's almost as if the bandwidth is too narrow for the tone. Oops. Watch out for that volume control. Well, I think that's the end of the list here. Let's put an antenna on it and see what we got. Let me shut off some of my equipment here because I can actually feel the heat coming from it. I'll leave that one on. Disconnect that. Disconnect that. We'll connect up our antenna, which I now have available in the shop. And that's the antenna. So you can't turn down the volume on this radio. Ooh, stay right there. It's going to be a little noisy. It's not too bad. Ooh, it's noisy. Okay, we'll put it on with a clip lead. Okay. So let's see what band we're on. We'll go through all the bands quickly here. Okay, that's phono. This is broadcast local.
Remember, crime doesn't pay, but Crime Stoppers does. Call us toll free That's 1-800-222-8477 or visit us at DurhamRegionalCrimeStoppers.ca.
You pay to go to work.
Okay, now I'm going to switch to broadcast standard. Should get louder.
For your news, get free local updates online at DurhamRadio.com and follow us on Twitter at Durham Radio News. Stay connected at DurhamRadioNews.com.
CKDO weather is brought to you by Watson Farms. Nothing beats the crunch of freshly picked apples. You Pick Apple season is now open 7 days a week at Watson Farms. Plus, stop by this weekend for...
Now we're on shortwave band, the first shortwave band, and they don't tell us okay, so it's from 2.9 to 7. So it's 7 going down. I'm not expecting to pick up anything on this band at this time of day. It's around lunchtime. The sun is high. And these frequencies are pretty low. So I think that's around 2.9. Let's check. The wire broke off the end of my lead here completely. Well, okay, we'll go up to the next band. I could not pick up my signal generator on that last band anywhere, but that's maybe just because the wire broke and I can't connect it to the antenna. So now I think I'm on somewhere between 7 and 11, like a 9. I might pick something up from this. Okay, another camera failure there, but There, can you see the magic eye? It's very faint on camera, isn't it? There we go.
Things that are handled down here that
Okay, let's try the last band here. There's WWV. Put the magic eye down here. So it's hard for you to see on camera, but when I look at the magic eye with my eyeball, it's quite visible in the dark here. If you have too much light in the room, you wouldn't even know it's on. It's not a very bright magic eye. And there's WWV.
translated as other shop, even more cheap. So, yes, it means other. The second one and the last one.
别的
Yes.
A little Chinese shortwave.
The body, life everlasting. Amen.
Are you a Catholic physician, healthcare professional, or medical student? The Catholic Medical Association helps doctors and healthcare professionals grow in faith.
There's a good sponsor.
.org.
I don't have money to travel, but I can travel the world on EWTN, and I do. God bless each of you. I love traveling the world on EWTN.
If you have a comment about our programming, we'd love to hear from you too. Call 205-795-5773 or send us an email to radio@ewtn.com.
There we go.
Thank you very much for listening. God bless you. This is EWTN.
Well, I think that's enough.
WN, Birmingham, Alabama.
Tuning on this radio, my next challenge is going to be fixing this guy here. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for tuning in to the Catholic Business Hour, broadcast on EWTN's Global Catholic Radio Network. I'm Dick Lyles, and we're having open phones for the entire hour this week. That'll give us plenty of time.
Bye-bye.